So, okay, IVAR is one of the projects we are most proud of, both for the solution we created and for the work we did with the awesome team at IVAR. Francesca will explain how the project evolved, and Carlo and me just put some points, some dots on the I. Now, enough with the introduction. I leave the stage to Francesca and start the presentation.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Okay. Francesca, up to you.
Good morning, everybody. I'm really glad to be here today and share our experience with Pimcore. We are so excited about this platform, and with the help of GMDE, we have a great experience about that. So let me introduce our company. IVAR is an Italian company that designs, develops, and manufactures highly energy efficient heating and plumbing systems. We have more than 10,000 items in our catalog. In addition to that, we produce customized systems and combination of complex products on client requests, and it's all made in Italy. We had our headquarters as well as our production site in Italy, in Prevalle, in near Lake Garda. Someone probably knows where is it. And we also have 11 branches around the world that distribute our products and let us to be more closer to our clients and their needs. So let's introduce how we arrived to Pimcore. As I mentioned before, we have a really wide range of products with highly complex of technical and commercial data related to that. So we clearly understood that was crucial for us to improve our existing practices and develop a new one, efficient and effective information management. So we want to collect and harmonize all the data and asset that was spread around the company and create a unique repository and use it to feed into all our channels, be it app, catalog, website, and so on. And to do that, we have to find a perfect solution, a friendly user one with the flexibility, and of course, high development potential. So we did some brainstorming, and we finally identified Pimcore as the perfect solution for our project. So after that, we looked for a partner to have the journey with, and we find GMDE as the perfect one. So together we agree the milestones of the project that you see in the next slide. The aim of the project was, as I said before, create a unique repository of all the information and assets related to our products. And after that, create a data structure that now is daily updated by our ERP and all the other company tools, and use this structure as the main core of all our channels. So now website, catalog, brochures, and every devices are updated by Pimcore. And finally, we now can say that product information management is finally organic, efficient in terms of accessibility, usability, data updating. We, for example, reduce the manual intervention, and for sure we are faster than before. Now I show you one of our best achievement. Our project, one of the milestones was to create a multi-language and multi-content website. So now with the help of Pimcore, in particular of the omni-channel platform that is based on Pimcore, we can have different products and different information shown in each country. So if you go on our website, you can choose the language and the country, and in base of that, you can see different content. So we now have the chance to easily customize our content with geolocated data inside Pimcore. And so we are now more proactive to create content on the needs of our clients. Another important feature we achieved with the help of GMDE was the direct connection between Pimcore and the data inside of Pimcore, of course, and our software pagination in design. Someone probably know that is an Adobe one. And with this connection with this plugin named Easy Catalog, as you can see in the image, now the fields are dynamic and they are populated from Pimcore and easily updating. So now, for example, if there is a daily changes of prices, as now we are facing in our sector because of the current problems about raw materials, we have changing of prices every day. So with now we are able with a few clicks to update all our catalogs around our website and create a new PDF in 1 hour, 2 hours, and it's a dream for us because before it was very long process, and now we can do that without any worries about forgetting something or make some mistakes. One of the last chance we had to face was the managing of ATIM standards. In our sector, the HVAC sector, and ATIM is one of the new standards has been adopted. So ATIM is a classification of products in different classes, named ATIM categories, designed so that anyone in our sector can communicate without misunderstandings and in clear and transparent way. These systems encodes technical characteristics of products, for example, diameters, colors, and other features, using an alphanumeric code that is unique across all the companies that operates in the sector and all the countries. So it was for us very important to apply to these standards. So with the help of GMDE, we decided to include this in Pimcore. For the first step, we did a data mapping of the data required by ATIM, and we search in the data we had in Pimcore, and we decoding our data to the ATIM standards. And after that, we create an automatic daily export with a specific extension required by ATIM. And for sure, another important thing, we create a dedicated ATIM parameters tab inside Pimcore. So for all the users inside our company, we can easier manage this data. And we face this part of the project as we did before, with flexibility and for sure the help of Pimcore. So what's next? We would like to make use of our omni-channel platform furtherby. We want to create e-commerce for specific product that we are now selling on Amazon. We want to create an e-commerce inside our website with the help of Pimcore for sure. And after that, we want to make our app more interactive and useful for our customers. And in the end, we want to make full use of the possibility offered by Omnichannel to customize our website content based on user needs and behaviors. So now I take the floor to Carlo to the part of GMDE. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Sorry about I had the problem with my microphone. So thanks, Francesca and Mauro, for the previous presentation. So I'm here I will just take a few seconds to present GMDE. So GMDE is a company of that I'm driving since a long time. GMDE started in 1993 and actually was our first customer. We were customer of ourselves because the first digital transformation we made, it was internal in our company. So we started to be a solution provider for publishing industry in 1993, where only paper was a key. And then we went through all the steps that to drive all the publishing industry in Italy, most of the publishing industry in Italy, through the transformation to the need to publish in digital, to start with the first websites, with the first hub, and all the experience of delivery content on different channels with different meaning. During this year, we made a lot of experience how to handle a lot of data and to structure them in an important way so that it was easy then to deliver to different channels. And because of these steps, we had the idea in 2015. We had the idea that probably all these feature, all these experience was going to be useful also for industry. So let's say in people that were publishing, not to be publishers. So company that need to deliver their information about products, about technical specs, about the asset of the company, etc. But they were not publishers. So they were publishing their own information instead of news. So 2015, we started with this new business area. And then during this new strategy, we had a very big exploration, and then we found Pimcore, and we loved Pimcore. We started working with Pimcore, and actually since 2020, we are the strategic partner for Italy, and we are really proud to be so important in the Pimcore organization. And we love to work with Pimcore, and we made a lot of projects. We had a huge pipeline of projects. We are really looking at many customers. Actually, in the next slide, you will see. Mauro, can you click it? Because I think you are the one. Okay, so you can see that we didn't concentrate in a particular area. So the approach was not to go, for example, only for pipes, only for heating system, etc., like the experience we had with Francesca, that even was extremely successful, and we demonstrated that the solution was incredible. We decided to maximize the possibility of this platform by going to any possible market, any possible customer, any possible project, because we trust, we love the Pimcore flexibility and capability to be used almost everywhere for everything. And that is the result. The result is that we are working now with the company that are working with pipes or with interior design like BAB Italia, that or Fratelli Carli, that is probably most of you know is about food and oil and olive oil, etc. So completely different scenario, completely different data model, completely different needs. But this was really a very good experience for us, and we are proud to have done this path that apparently was very long at the very beginning, because we had to design a completely new project every time, but give us an enormous potential today, because we made a lot of experience and we know how to use the system in different fields. And because of this very large experience, I'm going to leave the word to Mauro, that is our CTO, that he knows better than me every single bit and byte, and I know that you will love how we will present this part. So thanks for the audience, and see you later. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Sorry for the glitch with the with the slide before, but the smart touch bar of the Mac is not so smart. Anyway, okay, how we are the team. GMD team is a fluid team. Allow me to explain with the old joke there is around about the developers team. Just I'm a visual guy. I draw all the time, and I invite you to do the same experiment. Just draw the names of the figure of your developer, all of your developer involved in a project. Then start to make crosses. Okay, I did this randomly. Okay, how many people you have to delete before you are in the condition that you cannot continue with the project? The more they are, the better it is. And we are working hard on this. Okay, we work hard to have shared competences. Okay, in any moment of any project, each one of our developers can, like they say, put their hand in the dough and start kneading. Okay, and we have shared knowledge. Everybody have and must know what everybody else has. Of course, Pimcore is a universe. There are a lot of technology, not just inside Pimcore, but also outside. You have seen from the other talks, there are, you can face anything. You need to integrate anything. So it's good to foster and nurture individual excellence. Okay, you have the gurus. Okay, but those gurus comes and go and create on demand, on the fly, the best ever teams for the best ever project. In that way, with the team fluid, everybody is on the same page, and the other people can see and understand how to grow also their knowledge. How we work. Just a few, not minutes, maybe an hour ago, Dieter mentioned the Swiss Army knife about Pimcore. I want to extend that concept. Okay, Pimcore today is not just an application. We do not develop tools anymore. Pimcore is the Swiss Army knife for the company strategy, for our customer strategy. So the only way we can succeed is to work very close with our customer team, because just making the right tool, the perfect pixel perfect interface is not enough. We need to understand and clearly identify the needs, and those needs are nothing if you don't put them in the context, okay, in the workplace, and then in the environment, the big picture, directly the company, okay, directly the customer, the culture, okay, and the legacy of the company. In that way, we are able to create the tools that foster the customer product and service, and with those tools, the customer is able to ensure a continuous flow of data. Those data build information, those information build knowledge, and will the knowledge arrives, of course, incomes that are very important. And with this, we both, we and the customer, we are able to fulfill all the needs, achieve the goal, and as Francesca said before, to make the new ideas happen, because a Pimcore project almost never end.